Major forests we have four types: evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorny forest, littoral forest. One by one we will learn. First, evergreen forest. Evergreen forests are grown in such type of climate where we have very high temperature and high rainfall is found. Means like equatorial region near the equator at 0 degree latitude, sun rays are falling vertically. We receive more heat, means high temperature is found. Due to that, heavy rainfall also we receive. So equatorial regions will have this kind of evergreen forest. In India, which places are near to the equator means southern part of India, particularly Kerala. So Kerala state we can find this kind of evergreen forest, and particularly in the islands of Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar, Kerala, both having evergreen forest because they are near to the equator. Next, Telangana. Telangana do not have such type of evergreen forest. Next, what kind of specialty means evergreen forest do not shed their leaves. Why? Because they get everyday rainfall, water, plenty of available. So if they shed their leaves, within short time they will grow again the leaves. So it seems like a greenery in all seasons. Okay. Next, the plants are trees. If you observe in the evergreen forest, jamun, canes, kadam, and bamboo. Okay, jamun, canes, kadam, and bamboo, and other etc. also present. Next, in the Himalayas also we can see the evergreen forest. In India, in the Himalayas also we can see the evergreen forest, but they are in a different form and they are known with the coniferous forest. Coniferous forest because they don't bear the flowers. They produce some cones. That's why coniferous forest. Those are evergreen forests only. But coniferous forests we call them in Himalayas. So this is about evergreen forest, where we have rainy season in some months and warm and dry in remaining throughout the year. That such kind of places the forests grown are known as a deciduous forest. Okay, rainy season in some months, remaining months are warm and dry. Such type of regions, deciduous forests are grown. They shed their leaves, quite opposite to evergreen. Why? Because water is available in only few months of rainy season. Remaining months they have to conserve that water. Trees has to conserve their water. For that purpose they shed their leaves. And next, in Telangana, particularly which kind of forests are found, you may get one question in object 2. So deciduous forests, obviously in Telangana deciduous forests are found. Deciduous forests are two types. In less rainfall regions the plants are different. In more rainfall regions the plants are different. First of all, more rainfall regions in Telangana, if you observe, mostly it is in the northeastern part of Telangana. So northeast part of Telangana, if you observe, Komaram Bhim, Asfabad, then Jaishankar, Bhadradri Kottagudem, and Mehboob Nagar. Vegi, Egisa, Madhi take more rainfall regions. Northern districts of Telangana including Jagitya, okay, Karimnagar, Nizamabad, Warangal, Adilabad, there the plants grow in the deciduous forests are teak, velaga, tuniki. You all know that as BD leaves. Neem trees, buruga. Teak, velaga, tuniki, neem, buruga are the plants or trees grown in the less rainfall regions. So the climate, if you observe, very dry areas with little rainfall and high temperature, there the forests are grown as we call thorny forest. Okay, next, trees, if you observe, babul tree, tumma chettu. Then next, bulsa. Next, regi chettu, sitapal, custard apples, and moduga trees, which we can see in our villages of Telangana. Next, these are the trees present in the districts of Nalgonda and Mehboob Nagar, where we get a dry type of area, very little rainfall and high temperature. Okay. Littoral forests are known as a swamp forest. The area is marshy, such type of Buruda Nelalu. Okay. And where we can see means near the sea coast, particularly near the sea coast where the sea and land is attached, or ocean and land is attached. That sea coast, particularly in the sandy beaches, we can see this kind of littoral or swampy forest. Okay, and it is a marshy tract where salt water is present. In that some trees are grown. Okay, in India, mangrove forests we have in that salty areas, particularly in the West Bengal area where the Ganga river is ends into the Bay of Bengal. In that area we have Sundarbans. Sundarbans are the largest deltas in the world. There we can see the mangrove forest is another name of littoral forest. There we can see the trees like Uppuponna, Urada, Mada, Kadli, Bella. In the littoral forest are mangrove forest. This is a topic of types of forest in Telangana or in India, and we have 4 types of forest: evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorny forest and littoral forest. And forests found in Telangana are deciduous forests.